Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great and doing good in your studies also. So yesterday IBPS PO mains result was declared, and in this video I am going to share my result also. And before sharing the result, I would like to inform you that there is 1 week sale going live on textbook mock test pass. So if you are a beginner and you have just started your preparation, then I suggest you to go for textbook mock test, because textbook mock test provide a medium level mock test which is very good for gaining your confidence and making your basics more strong. In one textbook pass you will get access to SSC railway and banking examinations also, and if you want to practice extra questions, then there are topic wise questions are also given with this mock test, and there are ample amount of mocks available. So the link will be given in description, and by using my code you will get extra discount also. Plus, for question practice, if you do not have material and if you do not have time or you find it very difficult, then you can go for Guideless PDF course also. They are providing 80% off on their PDF courses. In their PDF courses they provide the questions in Hindi and in English language, and you will get one PDF every day of each subject. You just have to practice every day from these PDFs, because bank exams is all about practice, as you know. So the link of Guidely PDF course will also be given in the description, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount. So now I am going to share my result. So this is my result and it is positive, but the thing is that I am feeling a little anxious for my SBI PO mains interview. It is tomorrow on 12th of Feb, and so let's see what happens. And IBPS PO interview will also be there, so I will prepare well for that. As SBI PO, I was not hoping to clear mains because my exam did not go very well and I made a blunder in descriptive also. But let's see what happens. So that is all. Share your results also in the comment section, and all the best to everyone. And if you were not able to make it positive, then do not worry, there are ample amount of vacancies coming in the next year, and just try to prepare very hard in this year, and I know you will make it. So that is all. Thank you very much and have a good day.